Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to set up Gmail Alias to manage multiple emails. So just open up your master Gmail desktop interface layout and in the upper right corner click on the settings gear icon here. After you're here, click on the See All Settings button. And in here we need to locate the row titled Send Email As and then click the text link string that reads Add another email address. So go to Accounts and Import and find this Send Email As. And now guys, you can just click Add another email address here. Alright, and in here as you can see, you can provide your name and of course your email address. And don't forget this check mark, treat as an alias, so that this is alias and not a separate email address. And then guys, you can open up a fresh email canvas inside your master account and look directly at the From Row layouts. And then if you try to compose a new message, you will have a new From drop down in here. So your communication lines are completely consolidated. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. See you next time.